everybody, it's Charles Black with the Warfighters Travel Network. So today, checking out YouTube, come across this video. A couple guys sitting at the bar on a cruise ship. One of them actually turns out to be a U.S. Marine. Now first off, why is there a U.S. Marine sitting at a bar drinking? I mean, I really don't even know of any veterans that drink. But anyway, back to the story. So I'm watching this video. Turns into a fight. Now, one of the cruise staff was trying to keep the two individuals separated. One guest made it very clear he's not a Marine, he's not a veteran, didn't serve in the military. Keeps harassing this Marine, young guy. Anyway, this older gentleman actually knocks the cruise staff out of the way. Now, you know, I don't know what led up to the fight. I don't know what caused the fight. I don't even know what the end of it was. But what I did see in the video that really bothered me was just what I've been talking about having real veteran programs on board these cruise ships. So, turns out that as soon as they did get them separated, after this guy got what looks like 2 punches in on him, you can check out the video at the end of this, see it for yourself. But what really bothered me about all of it is as soon as they got them separated, it was the Marine who was isolated, surrounded by several people. The guy that started actually physically hitting the Marine just casually goes back, sits down, and enjoys his drink. This is where I have a problem. Why are we still being segregated? We're being removed from everybody else. This isn't what it's all about. It needs to change. This is why we need real veteran programs on board these cruise ships. If there had been a program in place on one of these ships, chances are that a situation like this veteran would have been hanging out with other veterans. More than likely would have helped de-escalate everything, got that veteran to just move on, to hang out with his buddies, and just absolutely ignore that guy. I do give that Marine credit. He held his composure, and he didn't strike back. He let the other guy make a fool of himself. Once again, we need real veteran programs on board these cruise ships. So, January, we're launching a brand new website, Warfighters Travel Network. You'll be able, we'll keep you updated with ongoing cruises. We're going to be focused on the cruise industry at first. We'll let you know what cruises are out there, what deals are out there. And it'll give you a chance that if you want to book something, you'll be able to join other veterans on these ships while I continue to work with my team on bringing real veteran programs onto these ships. Guess this beer's starting to get to me a little bit. Fill the bubbles. Till next time, keep moving forward and no retreat.
You ain't fucking shit. You ain't no fucking Marine.
I never said I was.
Yeah, exactly. Shut the fuck up.
Right, ready for number 10? Number 10, here we go, number 10.
I served my fucking country. The past 2 fucking years. Hey,
about?
He ain't shit.
It's alright, bro.
He just broke my fucking chain. My chain, go! Where's my fucking cross?
Hey, I just wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, please share it, like it, leave a comment. You know, without your support, this means nothing. It's you that helps me get the word out on what's going on in the veteran community. Now, with that said, make sure you check out the links in the description for our Facebook page, my personal page, Charles Black VAS, Veterans at Sea, and our new Warfighter Travel Network. We're going to get the word out there and we're going to make a change in the travel industry for the veteran community. Once again, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this, and please share.